People are saying Kish daw yung pinaka-healthy daw na ship sa PBB. What can you say about that? Parang you give daw the vibe na kayo yung long-term couple sa barkada and wala kayong issues.
Oh, thank
Dito
you.
na, dito
Thank
na.
you for the
This is her
angle
angle.
ko to. Wait lang.
This is her angle.
Yes,
I'll give it to
thank
her.
you. Pinagbigyan niya ako. No, thank you for all of those kind words sa mga nagsasabi ng gano'n. We're really just chill. You know, and I'm just really happy na sobrang tibay ng friendship namin.
And we're just having fun as it goes. Just going with the flow. At positive lang. Hindi naman kami ano.
Tawagan mo naman pa.
No
Josh,
bad vibes.
No bad vibes.
Josh, ang galing mo daw mangbakod kay Kira.
Great wall of Josh.
Hindi ko nga rin po napapansin eh. Pero sa mga edit na nakikita ko, bakit pala ako? Hindi ko na alam.
Pero Kira, you also have other ships. Merong mga Kirmilio,
Yes.
meron din Kiwi na you and Will.
Meron ba?
Oo, naririnig mo ba yun?
May ganun pala.
What can you say sa mga gano'n? Josh, anong reaction mo din
Ay,
doon?
ito ba?
Ay, hindi, joke lang. No, of course, it's okay naman. We love the fans, you know, we love the fandoms. And I'm sure hindi lang naman sila yung sinusuporta nila, pati na rin kami lahat. So, you know, it's happy. Positive vibes naman. That
Happy
means
shipping.
Na, happy
Happy
shipping.
shipping.
Positive lang naman. No
Are you-
bad vibes.
Are you manifesting a Kish project?
Oh, yes.
Yes, fingers crossed.
I really do hope na mangyari yun. Kahit na magkaiba kami network. I'm sure the collab will happen. So, yeah.